Want to update your Xiaomi phone to use the latest version of OS, but the MiUi version or the updater app is not opening up? No worries. In this video, I'll show how you can fix this issue. So let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Clear data of updater app. To do this, open up settings on your phone, then scroll down, find apps and tap on it. Next, tap on Manage Apps. After that, tap the three-dot icon from here and select Show All Apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Updater. Then tap on Updater from the search result. Now, hit the Clear Data button from the bottom of the screen and select Clear All Data, and then tap on OK. Now, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Turn off developer options. For this one, open the Settings app again, then scroll down and find additional settings. Next, scroll down a little and tap on developer options. Now just toggle it off and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. To do this, open settings once more, then tap on About Phone from here. Next, scroll down a tiny bit and tap on Factory Reset. Then tap on Erase All Data from here. Now, if you set a password and PIN, enter it here. Then tap the Next button. After that, tap the Factory Reset button and follow the one on screen prompts to reset it. Once you're done, the issue should be fixed. So that's how you fix Updater app or MiUi versions not opening issue on Xiaomi phones. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll hit you back real soon. Thanks for watching.